New Gorilla Tag update. Let's go. New update. No, already checking out the cosmetics. Nope. Oh. Oh my.
Dude, I can't try the place. This is crazy.
What?
Oh my god. I need
The
to buy the
heck?
free badge.
Statue of
Statue of Liberty. I have ice cream.
Hey, who is this?
Dumbo. Putting you on fire. Guys, this is sick. Guys, I'm lifting weights, boys. I'm lifting weights.
It's Bigfoot.
I'm not here in the gym. Let's go. Get swole.
Yo. This
Get
is sick.
swole, baby.
Wait,
oh
yeah.
I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna
My
get
last
it.
rep, here we go.
Who? I'm gonna buy that.
Dude, wait, I have this. I'm gonna buy this. No.
Whoa. These other ones.
Oh, when I can steer it? Whoa.
Guys,
That's
you
not
can
Professor
steer it.
Wesser.
Is it portable?
That's not Professor Wesser. I'm not dumb.
Guys, you can steer this. You can steer
That
it.
is not Professor Wesser.
I'm gonna leave all this.
Yeah, this is so cool.
Alright, anyways, let's go back. Let's go. This? Oh my goodness. What the hell? What is this? Whoa! Oh my goodness. They made a map now? Outside the map. Yo! I'm gonna buy so many things. Bro, these are all sparklers. I don't know. Why is it a pretzel? Ooh. Gotta equip that. Oh my. Wait. Wait, there is no way. There is... That is so cool. Probably gonna buy the red one. Oh, this is for the 4th of July. You guys don't have a brain. You don't know what 4th of July is. But I think everybody here has a brain. Dang it. Alright, that's super cool. This right here, especially. Alright. I need this. And all this ugly crap. Oh. Oh, Jesus. They call me the Time Master. I'm Michelangelo, fuck. That's sick. I honestly do not know what I'm going to buy. Wait. No. No. I have actually bad news. No. I really hope. Fingers crossed, everybody. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed it's still there. Oh my god. Please. Yes! Let's go. Bro. This is all sick. Bruh. Nah. 8 days. Oh! I know what this means. Those are limited. Alright, gonna go check. Wait, what is... I know y'all saw that. Nah, yeah, it's right there. You guys see it. I know, I'm not dumb. I know you guys can see it. What? Nice. What? What did I see? I swear I saw something. I think the new map is Subway Surfers. Bro. We're checking everything. I don't care how long this takes. Take hours. Days. Months. Years. Decades. Oh man, they took all away. That's bullcrap. That's sick. That is amazing. I am actually going to buy that. Bro. I think what code my friends are in. Nice to see you, old beach. Woo! Damn it. I didn't even touch the water. Wait, I think I know code my friends are in. Dang it. Nobody's in there. Alright. That was one out of the 2 maps we're checking out. This is the best. No, they added like a flying. That's like from the movie Up. The airship or something. Alright, good. It's only me. I don't know why would it not be only me. Because I like recording alone. I am not checking caves. There's nothing in caves. That's a little weird. The only map I haven't checked yet, besides that, is basement. And I don't think they're gonna add anything to basement. Yay, it's back! I remember that. No, it's still 4. Something in Japanese somebody could read. It says Dishuk. It says Dishuk. Although this update might be a little crazy, this now dang. No, I suck at driving this, but oh, you have to fill it up. Yes. Dang it. Bruh, I actually might be playing it for this for a couple. Oh! It's bullcrap. Nope! 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 I needed to get over there. Because I want to do the glitch. If it works. No! I was so close. Nope! Nope! I need him. Go that way. Yes. Nope! I want to do the paper airplane glitch. But they add like moving mechanics to the game. No. Alright, now I know this makes it spin. This trigger. No. Alright. Alright. No, cutscene in a new movie. Alright. No. Even going into the wall? I'm surprised it didn't even crash. But anyways, if you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button and go subscribe. And bye guys. Bye.